Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to turn off your PlayStation 5 with your controller. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you just got your PlayStation 5 for Christmas and you want to know how to simply turn it off because it's a little bit different than the PlayStation 4. So press the PlayStation button and open up the quick menu right here and then scroll on over to the power symbol next to your profile. Then you'll have two different options. You can enter rest mode, turn off PlayStation 5. So if you enter rest mode, this will charge the controller, download updates, and suspend your games. Don't unplug the AC power cord while in rest mode. Then you have turn off PS5, close all games and apps, and turn off your PlayStation 5, or you can simply restart. For me personally, I like to leave it in rest mode, so I can download updates for my games, and they can be completely downloaded and ready to go. So hopefully this quick video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.